I learnt my boat how to drive in FarCry. Oh crap. It's driving! Come back here, boat! Where have you gone? Where's my boat going? Oh, it's over there. Boat, come back here! Look! It's flipped over. I know. What the flip? Drive, boat! Move! You flipping little div. My boat knows how to move. Look. Drive! Drive, you stupid boat! It's driving! What? Come back here, boat! Boat! Come back here! No! Boat! Come back here, boat! No! Ah! Where's my boat gone? Gonna get eaten by a demon fish. Where's my boat gone? Lost my boat. It's right there! Get it! Yep, in! Come back! Okay. Look, it can drive when I'm inside the back. I won't let us inside the back! No! Oh yes, I'm just gonna stay on here. No, boat!